Welcome to Crack-A-Pack. My name's Andrew. Today we're cracking open Theros Beyond Death. Let's get cracking. Our first card today is Riptide Turtle, followed by Thrill of Possibility, Omen of the Dead, Omen of the Hunt, Skophos War Leader, Myers Grasp, Towering Wave Mystic, Daybreak Chimera, Elysian Caryatid, Theros Enraptured, Skophos Maze Warden, The Binding of the Titans, Enigmatic Incarnation, Sunmane Pegasus with a foil treatment, our land is an island, and we have a human soldier token at the back. So again, we have an island, our foil Sunmane Pegasus, Enigmatic Incarnation, which for 2 green and a blue is an enchantment that says at the beginning of your end step you may sacrifice another enchantment. If you do, search your library for a creature card with converted mana cost equal to 1 plus the sacrificed enchantment's converted mana cost. Put the card onto the battlefield, then shuffle your library. So this is a birthing pod, essentially, but you're sacrificing enchantments for creatures. I really like this. It's different, and it's a great way to ramp creatures. In this set, again, I said a couple days ago, this set did a lot of enchantment creatures and just enchantments in general. There was a lot of different ways that you could use this then, because if you have, like a 3 mana cost enchantment creature that you decide to sack with this, you're able to get a 4-drop creature off of that instead. Or if you have a saga that you don't care about its second or third lore step, you can sacrifice it to get a bigger creature out. So yeah, birthing pod effects are always interesting, and I really like this one working off of enchantments instead of just off of creatures. Next we have the Binding of the Titans saga, which for 1 and a green gives you a saga that says on the first turn, each player puts the top 3 cards of their library into the graveyard. Then next turn, exile up to 2 target cards from graveyards. For each creature card exiled this way, you gain a life. And then the third step is return target creature or land card from your graveyard to your hand. All 3 of these feel really good. Getting the graveyard fuel milling first, then exiling target cards from graveyards. It doesn't specify that it's yours or your opponent's, so if you want to be exiling yours, you can, or if you're worried about graveyard strategies from your opponent, you can exile theirs, and for each creature card, you're gaining life. Also great. Then getting to return a creature or land from your graveyard is equally great, especially since there are now more and more sacrifice lands, or like even just with fetch lands, being able to get that fetch land back, because it doesn't say it has to be a basic land, it just says land. So that could be anything that you might have sacrificed or you had to throw away. You can get that back. You can get extra value, or you can get just its original value out of it again. Next we have Skophos Maze Warden, and then Theros Enraptured, Elysian Caryatid, Daybreak Chimera, Towering Wave Mystic. You actually look at these cards. Myers Grasp, Skophos War Leader, Omen of the Hunt, Omen of the Dead, Thrill of Possibility, and Riptide Turtle. That's all for today. Thank you for cracking along with me. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we crack open another pack.